As school leaders, we have mounting pressures to ensure that data is not only being used to inform our responses, but can be leveraged to evidence if what we're doing is leading to better outcomes for students. Planning for the effective use of data with our teachers is hard, but it doesn't have to be. When schools have a targeted plan for the collection and utilization of data and evidence related to student success, conversations become more focused and staff can see the impact their collective practices are having for students. Join me for the online on-demand workshop, Establishing a School-Wide Data and Evidence Plan. 10 considerations to maximize the use of data in your school, part of our Supporting Collaborative Response series. In this workshop, I share 10 considerations for school leaders when establishing a school-wide data and evidence plan focused on the key measures being used to inform priority areas. I also share numerous resources, templates, and samples to help support the effective determination, scheduling, collection, organization, analysis, and sharing of that data. Purchase the workshop and you'll also have the ability to replay all or any portion of the workshop as you wish. Access this on-demand workshop today to learn more about how to effectively align your school's data and evidence as a foundational component of a school's collaborative response.